The Marcos administration launched the Servicio Fair Caravan to help in expediting government services. Mobile Journal Julie Baiza with the report.
President Bongbong Marcos is urging government agencies and local government units to make it easier and more accessible for Filipinos to receive the help they need. This is part of the Bagong Pilipinas Servicio Fair or BPSF.
Hinihiling ko sa lahat na ang ating mga iba't ibang may ahensya ng pamahalaan, kasama lalo na ang local government unit, na patuloy pa nating pagbutihin, pabilisin at palawakin ang mga serbisyo upang maabot natin ang lahat ng ating mga kababayan nasan man sila naroon.
The Servicio Fair Caravan acts as a one-stop shop offering services like processing passports, NBI clearances, loan applications, and even consultations with the PhilHealth and SSS. It began in Ilocos Norte but now it has reached 21 provinces.
Napakahirap iwanan ng trabaho, napakahirap iwanan ng ang mga bata, napakahirap maghanap ng sasakyan, lalo na kung malalayo, mahal ang pamasahe. Kaya binaliktad natin, ba't sila pa ang pupunta sa atin? Kaya ito, ngayon nakita natin ang BPSF. Yan ang naging buhay ng pag-iisip na yan. At sa aking palagay, napakagandang naging resulta.
President Marcos proudly shared that the services provided have amounted to 12 billion pesos, while financial aid distributed through the Servicio Fair has reached 5 billion pesos. He also has a message for the public.
Hiyakatin din natin ang ating mga mamamayan na sumali dito sa Servicio Fair at gamitin ang pagkakataon na mapabuti ang kanilang paghanap buhay at ang kanilang pagtulong sa kanilang sarili at sa kanilang pamilya.
Mobile journalist Julie Baiza, We Are One News.